Introducing Nutricharge Veg Omega, a powerful health supplement that provides numerous benefits to your overall well-being, packed with essential nutrients and omega fatty acids. Nutricharge Veg Omega is a must-have in every health-conscious individual's daily routine. The benefits of Nutricharge Veg Omega are truly unparalleled. It is a rich source of omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and overall vitality. These fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, and supporting cognitive function. In addition to omega fatty acids, Nutricharge Veg Omega is also fortified with vitamins and antioxidants. These powerful nutrients help to boost the immune system, fight inflammation, and protect the body against oxidative stress. This means that you can enjoy enhanced immunity and better resilience against common illnesses and infections. Furthermore, Nutricharge Veg Omega supports healthy skin, hair and nails. The omega fatty acids help to nourish the skin from within, promoting a radiant and youthful complexion. They also improve hair strength and promote nail health, giving you a natural and beautiful appearance from head to toe. One of the key advantages of Nutricharge Veg Omega is that it is derived from vegetarian sources, making it suitable for individuals following a vegetarian or plant-based diet. This ensures that everyone can benefit from its incredible health-boosting properties without compromising on their dietary preferences. With Nutricharge Veg Omega, you can experience a noticeable improvement in your overall health and vitality. By incorporating this supplement into your daily routine, you can enjoy better heart health, enhanced brain function, improved immunity, and a glowing complexion. Say hello to a healthier, happier you with Nutricharge Veg Omega. Try it today and feel the difference.